University, where the marching band is preparing for the upcoming Panagbenga Festival. It's just arrived that the mall has been bombed and that the suspect has been arrested.
Medic lang.
Ano nangyari? Sumabot daw po yung daan. Saan sumabot? Wala yung po. Sa body shop?
Ilaw? Yung sa Glorieta pumasok ang building? Pero walang bomb.
Sige.
Lola, I'm here! I bought you something. Do that later. Thank you, Apo. I've got your favorite, McDo. You're so sweet, Apo. Thank you. Flattered much, Lola. Thank you. Wow, this is really my favorite. Taste it, Lola. This is for you, my favorite Apo, Rina. It's not Rina, Lola. It's Hasing. Hasing, Lola.
Good afternoon, viewers. Breaking news. A convicted prisoner allegedly sweats blood before the date of his execution trial. It is said that this prisoner was proven guilty of genocide,
by bombing a mall that killed hundreds of people. For more information about this, let us get to Miss Alyssa Lambino.
Here we are with Dr. Hassan Palenga for us to explain this rare condition of the prisoner and for us to understand it also. So, Doc, could you please tell us more about this rare condition?
The condition that the prisoner have undergone is called hematohydrosis or bloody sweat phenomenon, wherein he excretes blood.
Doc, how and when does this occur?
The cause of hematohydrosis is unknown, but some studies say it is caused by high level of stress, like a person who is facing his imminent death.
So, could you tell us the pathophysiology or explain it?
Hematohydrosis is due to the rupture of blood vessels where the blood seeps out to the pores together with the sweat.
Thank you, Dr. Hassan Palenga, for entertaining us. Back to you, Rina Bailon.
Thank you, Miss Alyssa Lambino.
Nanay, tatay, gusto kong tinapay. Ape, kuya, gusto kong kape. Lahat ng gusto ko ay susundin nyo. Ang magkamali ay pipindutin ko.
May lasa yung Pansit Canton! Anong gagawin nyo para magkaroon ng Lucky Me Pansit Canton?
Mag-pray ako kay Lord. Sasabihin ko kay Mommy, ang ganda-ganda mo. Aayusin ko po yung toys ko, pati po ang sarili ko po. Hindi na po ako magiging pasaway.
Go!
We are here at the CTG to interview Mr. Salim Sabir. So, Mr. Salim, when did it start happening?
About a few days before my scheduled trial.
Do you feel anything beside this?
None. It's like I'm just sweating in a normal way. But I was shocked to see that as I sweat, it came out the blood.
Hi! Our video is all about hematohydrosis for our project in Principles and Strategies in Teaching Health Education. Hi, I'm Rina and I acted as a news anchor.
Hassan Palenga acted as news anchor and a doctor.
Hello, I'm Nicole Liabia and I acted as a field reporter. Hi, I'm Alyssa. I acted as field reporter and Lola in McDonald's commercial.
And Sabir here for acting as our prisoner, but currently he's not available. Thank you
For watching.
Good afternoon, viewers.
Hi! Our video is all about hematohydrosis for our project in Principles and Strategies in Teaching Health Education. This is...
Afternoon, viewers. Here we are at St. Louis University, where the...
God damn! Saska! Sacha! Uy girl, dito ka na tumitingin kasi nahalatang dun ka tumitingin. Wait.
1, 2, 3. Lola, I bought something for you. It's your favorite. McDonald's. Tatawa ako. Do you like it?